Alright, Nick has arrived and here is our whip.
Okay, I'm good.
Alright, food has come.
So much fire.
Alright, good morning vlog. We just finished dropping our stuff off at baggage delivery. And we just hiked over a mountain with 2 big luggages each. And we are tired and dead. So now we are gonna wait for Nick because he apparently has the car. And we're gonna go to Beppu and Takachiho Gorge. Alright, Nick has arrived and here is our whip. Even he's matching with the whip. Wow. Very, very cool. And now we will start and go where?
Takachiho Gorge.
Alright. How's the drive?
Okay, what happened?
We are on maybe the Route 40.
No.
The speed
are
limit is maybe 40.
Kyushu Chua Expressway.
Ola vlog. This is Eva's mini vlog of munchlags. How much can Eva eat? So far, I had chips. Next up is this Castella cake. Alright, next one, orange. Alright, next one, cotton candy. New snack has been unlocked. Sour kneaded plum gummy thing. Okay, I'm scared.
What? That's chewy. Wait, I want to try one then. I thought it was like dry.
I like plumbo, so I'll eat the rest of it. You guys should try it though. It's really sour. Come on. Use this. Have this afterwards. It's good.
It's like
I
sour, but like
don't like it.
salty or something.
What you eating?
I don't want it to spill, but melon pan.
Melon.
Already ate it.
Nice.
We're good.
Choco baby chocolate.
Wow. Wow.
Wow. Hello vlog, we have made it to the gorge. We're walking down even though we're late. These are the views. Oh shoot. These are the views so far.
Very cool.
Very cool. Ah. And we shall be on our way. Alright vlog. We're on a run down to the gorge. It's all downhill. So honestly I think running's pretty easy because we're getting pushed forward. There's people down there with red hats. We shall continue our run.
Alright, we are now on the boat. Nick is over here. And I think they're sabotaging me. What's behind me? Uh-oh. It's a waterfall.
I do, but
Oh my gosh. Wait.
I'm getting
I'm getting wet. Anyways. Very cool, very cool. How do you think of this so far?
labor intensive.
Ah, yes, yes.
Fun.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, we're about to hit a wall. Wow, waterfall. Very cool, very cool. Oh, I'm getting wet. I'm getting wet. I'm getting wet. I'm getting wet. I'm getting wet.
You said
Alright, we've made it to the end. No other boats. And oh god, look at this view. Wow. It is so beautiful.
Can we go backwards?
Alright, we're at the waterfall and we're taking turns taking pictures. Currently, I am ducking over here. They're doing a photo shoot. And yeah, I'm ducking out of the way because we can't move seats from where we are. I'll show you what I'm looking at. I can see the ground. Okay, new shoes.
With your bag on.
Alright, now we're headed to the waterfall. We're gonna try and touch the water but not get absolutely soaked by the water. So let's see how we do. Touch!
You wanna go closer?
Touch! Ah!
Oh my god.
Ah! Okay. Oh my god.
We're not even there yet. You want more? More?
Oh no. 3-boat collision.
Okay, let's go this way. Yeah, we're gonna shower.
Alright, I'm ready. Ah! Okay, I'm good. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream.
Not gently.
Merrily, 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 life is like a dream. Merrily, 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 life is like a dream.
Dude, I feel kind of sick.
Yeah, a little bit too.
Me too.
Oh. Nice shot. Oh shit.
We finished the boat rental. Now, time to find where Woodard and Katrina are.
You guys can take a photo here. Get this one.
Waterfall. Hola vlog. What do we have?
Well, that's so cute.
Orange juice.
It is the, what's it called?
Orangutan.
Hyuganatsu orange juice from Miyazaki.
Did you guys get
All
the
right.
taste testing thing in there? Very good.
No.
There was a taste test.
Okay, you hold. You hold.
It was so funny. There was a lady holding 4 boxes. She grabbed another one to taste it. She drank it, and she grabbed another box around.
What the? I think she was doing laps.
Juice box. Here we go. Cheers.
Insert sound.
Try.
I think Katrina would like this. It's sour, right?
Last sip.
She's sick too, though.
All right, Nick just finished eating at a Somen restaurant. How was it?
Food review.
Food review of your Somen experience.
It was pretty fun. Did I get scammed? The set was okay.
How was
Like it.
It was.
Did it flow in the
it? Did it flow in
river?
the water?
It flows in the water and then it falls down.
Oh,
so
so
it's not
you
a
caught
scam
it.
because well, you catch it.
Right.
So I was
So
doing
you
that.
still
Yeah.
catch it.
And then whatever you miss though, like even if it's very little, they have a basket at the end because everybody takes turns and they just grab that one basket and give it to you, and then they reload the new basket for the next person, and then they
Like,
take.
do you take turns like catching it too? So like only you will catch
Wait.
it.
I don't know.
every
Maybe I
time?
wasn't busy enough. It was just me catching it.
Wait, but
I catch it like
would
6
you
times.
say it's unhygienic? Yes, right. It has to be.
Probably. I mean, the water technically flows and constantly flowing. So even if somebody uses their chopsticks and pushes it and like touches the bamboo, it cleans it.
Are they catching it, eating it, or are they catching it, putting it in their bowl?
Well, you're supposed to catch it and eat it, I think. Because I was catching it, just putting it in my bowl, and then my bowl got full, and it still kept coming. I was like, oh shit. But thankfully, I had another thing, and I just quickly ate. But I guess that's where the unhygienic part is because yeah, you could eat and then put it back in.
Exactly, you're putting it back
But
in.
the water's constantly flowing, so it should technically
yeah.
clean it out.
Oh,
So
you
it's
had this whole time,
nasty.
my bad.
It is nasty.
Oh, you
All
guys
right.
Nasty.
Nasty. All right, where are we going?
We're going to get food.
And Eva is driving.
Oh my god.
I don't think I took that.
Sorry guys.
We are now in the restaurant called Takachiho Base Cafe. And here is the menu. All right, food has come. Food has come.
So much fiber.
Oh, got greens.
Lots of greens. Ooh. Destroyed. Whoa.
Archie even ate his plate, bro. Let's go.
My plate is gone. All right, meal review. Oh wait, she's not done eating her pudding.
You have to eat the bug too.
It's yogurt.
There's bug? There's yogurt? Oh.
Right there.
Okay, meal review.
It's under.
3, 2, 1. 8.
5, 6.
Nice.
Hello vlog. We are now headed to a shrine. A shrine, I don't know what it's called. We gotta walk there. There's a cool thing about it. Oh.
Ice cream. You said you want ice cream.
Oh, ice cream. Yes. Headed there, and it's supposed to be a shrine inside of a cave. So yeah, pretty cool. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. On a hunt to find ice cream. Archie, stop! 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 Okay, greenery. Nick taking pictures and his photographer. Witar and the Katrina. Let us go. We're here. There's things in the water.
All right, Nick, what are you doing right now?
Trying to keep up with this girl driver. Jeez, respect.
Wild.
Can we see her? There. She brakes right here.
It's going so fast. Crazy.
I think I broke too early.
Alright, we have arrived in Beppu. We are in a random mall and we just ate pepper lunch in this random cafeteria. The girls bought new swimsuits and now we are gonna go to the hotel, check in, and go swimming. You ready to swim?
I'm ready for hot tub.
Hot tub.
Now we ain't got time for meal review right now. Let's go. Meal review.
Okay, meal review 3, 2, 1.
7-7. 5. I got nothing to say about it.
I forgot to say something. Hello vlog. We just finished swimming after coming from dinner, and pretty much that's all we've really done today. We came to Beppu, went to a mall, bought clothes, swimming suits, clothes. Now we are checked in to the hotel called Amanek. Witter, Katrina, and Nick are on the tower over here, and me and Eva are in the tower over here. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed the vlog today, and I will see you guys tomorrow, where we go to the bells of Beppu, or the hells of Beppu. Peace.